So in this video, we are going to talk about how to choose a blogging platform for beginners. So we are going to compare two platforms. One is bloggers.com and another one is wordpress.org. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Harshal Surana here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our video updates. Welcome back to episode 2 of blogging for beginners. So honestly, it is very difficult for beginners to decide which platform they should select when they start their journey as a blogger, because looking at the current situation, there are many platforms available out there. If you go and check out on Google, there are many platforms. You'll get like hundred of platforms out there, right? But while you are choosing your platform, you should understand exactly what are you looking into those platforms, what do all features do you want from those websites, right? So while creating or choosing these platforms, you should be very carefully selecting one platform. So in this video, we'll make it easy for you to understand which platform is perfect for you according to your features or according to what all things you're looking forward in that platform. So, being a beginner, what all features you might be looking in this platform? So, let's take few examples, and we'll discuss on it. So, as a beginner, you might be looking for a platform which is very easy to set up. Like, it is very easy for you to set up your website, right? This is the basic thing which everyone will be looking out, right? Then another feature is you might be looking for a monetization. Maybe not now, but in future, like when you grow up, you be wanting a monetization option for your blogs, right? So you can earn from it. And there are a few more things which you will be looking like it should be flexible, or once you grow you might want to customize your site according to you, or you might want to change something. So you should clearly understand which platform you should select, because after once you grow in those platforms, you can't switch to other platforms because it becomes very difficult to switch. So it is best option key you select a proper platform in the beginning itself only. So in today's video, we'll compare two platforms which are WordPress org and bloggers.com, and we'll tell you everything how to set up an account, what are the advantages, disadvantages about them. So now without wasting any time, let's get into my screen and I'll show you all the things practically how it works. Blogger and search, yeah, and there comes bloggers.com. So just click on it, and once you click on it, it will get loaded. So it will first ask you to log in into bloggers.com, which I have already logged in. It is my brother's account, so just ignore the name and everything. So now I'll show you how this platform is and how it works. So first thing is here is the option through which you come to you can create different blogging pages. Like I have already created a car blog or a Safe Your Go World, and I'll show you what all things I've posted. Basically, first I'll like to start with creating a new blog page. So we'll just create a new blog page for now. So just we'll name it digital marketing. Yeah, right. So it is done. So now it is telling us what name we want to address it. So always there will be blogspot.com, which is their domain, and they'll be giving you a subdomain. Like always, whatever you want to put, you will have to put it before in front of this. So let's put it demo.blogspot.com. Demo isn't available. So demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It isn't available. Let me try with some another name. Maybe Harshal 123. That is also not available, guys. So Harshal 77. Not available. Harshal 770. Yeah, Harshal 770 is available finally. So now let's save it. So it is processing. Yeah, so we have created our new blogging page, which is under the name of Harshal 770. So this is like how it shows. This I haven't like just we have created the blog page. So we have will now I'll show you how to upload your blog or something. No, first I'll show you how to select a theme. So basically theme plays a very important role, because when you someone lands on your page, they are going to see is a theme. So here you get pretty good option for your theme, because as it is a free app, guys. Then too they are giving you a good option of theme. So it is easy and to use and can be managed without any technical skill. It is free. Your data is safe and secure with Google robust secure platforms. These were the few advantages of it. And let me check which will go. Yeah, so here's social media friend something. Hmm. Okay, let's go with this. And then here you have an option of preview, customize, and apply. I'll just simply apply it for right now. Yeah, so the new theme has been applied successfully. Now let's go into the post and create one new post. So click on the plus icon. Yeah, and this is how it looks. So I have already I'm ready with one blog which is on what is exactly digital marketing. So I'll just copy and paste it over here. Yeah, here you go. So you are ready with it. I have written it. If there are some spelling mistake, it's like just bear it. Yeah. So here you have option of save, preview your post and everything, and here's publish. We'll directly publish it, and then this pop-up will come. So click on confirm. Yeah, and it is being posted. So now I'll show you. So now go over here and view your blog. So the new tab will be loaded, and you can see the name harshal770.blogspot, which I recently chose. I had shown you how I created, and this is my blog. Digital marketing was my heading. The alignment is not that perfect, I didn't look into it. And this is digital marketing, which I gave the name and everything. So this is how it will look if you create one for yourself. Here's a search bar where people can search some blogs or something. Then here's a profile. My brother's name is popping up. It's showing archive or abuse, report abuse or something kind of. And I'll show you some of the other posts. So just go. Let's go into the car blog. Yeah, and view our blog. So it will get loaded. Just give me some time. Yeah, so this is some car blog. My brother has created it. I don't know why and how. So yeah, this is how it. So he has selected a theme related to cars, and this was his first blog, best car accessories. You can see it, and this is how it looks. So you might be thinking ki this has a lot many options. So it's just because he has selected a theme like that. So you can select a theme accordingly, which you think. I'll show you one more, which is Sifyoco World, which I have already created for you all. And let's view on your blog. Yeah, so here we are. So I have selected a theme like related to some books or something, nothing a specific reason behind it. This is how it is looking. Hello, welcome to Sifyoco World was the first I posted. It just was for a demo to show you all guys how exactly it looks. Yeah, so guys, you get a pretty good option where you can create different pages. You just have to log in from one account, and to log in from account you just can connect it through your Gmail. So it's very easy. I won't get into all this, so or else the video length will go like increase a lot. And if you want me to make a detailed video about it, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll come up with a detailed video in it. So here you get different option posts, which we have recently seen how it works and everything. There's an option of stats, which shows you about how many people have seen, how many people are following you. So this is the Sifyoco World a page we have created uska hai. Then there's a comment options where you come to know all the comments. In earnings is nothing but a monetization of your blogs. You can see, so it's showing key connect your domain name with Google AdSense. Right now I won't do it, you can do it. And they have few policies. So like policies in the sense there are some terms and conditions. If you get some views or particular views or something, then you can simply start monetizing your blogs. Here are the pages. So I haven't created any pages yet. Like in so this was a blog. So right now I am into Sifioko world. So in that I haven't created any particular pages or something. You can create it. Like just click on this plus and it's loading us and see. Now you can simply create some pages or something. The layout, how do you want your layout to be? You can just drag it, edit it, add something, sidebar, main, however you want it to be. Then you can select a theme from here. You have a setting options, right, and there's a one more option, guys, which is reading list, which means you can follow other people, and once you follow them, so from here you can read their blogs and everything. So this was everything about bloggers.com. There are even cons about it, which will I'll tell you right now, which is their design options are very limited with few templates available because it is free again, guys. It is limited to basic blogging tools and one can't have any new feature to it because you can't add any new features according to yourself. So it is as being a free platform, you just have to go with what they are providing you. As Google hosts your website, it can be suspend your account at any time or even can cancel the entire blog service as well. So as it is being controlled by Google, it can suspend your account, right? And let's talk about the pricing. As a bloggers.com, it is a free with bloggers subdomain bloggerspot.com. It has no pricing. In case you want your own domain, then you have to buy it from the third party. So yeah, that's it for bloggers.com. Came to wordpress.org and have logged in into wordpress.org. So this is how it shows when you land to this is a home page. So the main thing about the WordPress org is you need to buy the domain and the hosting and then integrate it with this wordpress.org, and then you can make your website live. Yeah, that's the only one thing, but it has a lot of advantages with it. So it has a self-hosted platform. That means you have the control over every aspect of your website or blog. You can customize it as you want. Then another advantage is you can grow your blog and also add extra features like online store, paid membership, etc. This makes WordPress the best blogging platform to make money. There's one more advantage. There are more than thousands of free themes to choose apply from. And WordPress.org is one of the most popular blogging software in it is an open source free blogging platform that allows you to build your own website blog within just few minutes. So guys, it is one of the best option you should go for. So now as you can see, there's a theme option, which once you click on it, you get many theme options. Right now also it's showing 3829 options. So yeah, guys, you have many options. You can just like, so here in the search themes, you can just type whatever genre or whatever niche you want about, like blogging, or if you want any kind of thing, just search it over here and you will get a theme according to it. Then it has a plugins option through which you can add a lot of plugins to it. Like if you want to add some plugins to your website, like a booking, a calendar, anything whichever suits your blogging website best, you can select it. There are a lot of free plugins, you don't have to pay for them. Then there's even an option of mobile, which is like you can download this platform, like a software. They have a software which you can download, which is free of course. They don't charge you anything. Then hosting, if you click on hosting, there are few companies which they have a tie-up with, which is Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround. Yeah, so there are this are the three options. You can go for other also, but I'll suggest you to go with Bluehost because it is providing a best service right now. It is affordable. They have different plans like beginners, plus plan, and premium plans and everything. So you can just start with a basic plan, which is pretty good, which costs you around 200 rupees or per month, which I think you can afford it. And why I am telling you to go with WordPress.org, it is key because if you are thinking in a long term, it is more beneficial because you get a lot of customization. because in the beginning I know you might be thinking like let's go with some free bloggers.com or something. It is good, guys. I'm not saying ki bloggers.com isn't good, but if you can invest amount in it, go with Bluehost, because you later on, once you grow, you might be wanting some add-on features, or you want some plugins or different features too on your website. So it is better you go with wordpress.org from the beginning. Or else even you can, if you are just doubtful, you're just starting your career as a blogger, if you just want to give a try, just go and create one from bloggers.com, and then you can switch, not an issue. It becomes a bit difficult, so that's why I suggested, nothing else. And yeah, even wordpress.org has some cons, so let's talk about that. Managing your own website needs technical skill and get a little difficult at times. Yeah, so I you might be like, yeah, I said it doesn't need some technical skill, but at certain point of time you need some technical skills. Means you should know what exactly you're doing or something, because even in drop and drag and drop you need some skill. So even you can go it on YouTube and watch it, but yeah, at times it become difficult. You will even have to also manage your own backups and security. Yeah, guys, it is one of the most important thing. You have to manage your own backups and security, or at times your website, like you can lose your backup or something might go wrong. And if you talk about pricing, WordPress software is free, but start with, you need your domain, which I already told you, which costs you around $14 per year, which is approximately 1,125 per year, and hosting, which usually starts from $7.9, which is approximately 600 rupees, which already I told you, which I have explained you. This was the general rates about, like, not about the particular thing. Even I have told you about the Blue. So accordingly, you can go with it, and it is very good platform to start with it. And so that's it, guys, for today's video, and see you all in the next video, where we'll talk about the another step which you should take. If you have liked the video, let us know in the comment section, and please share with your family and friends. Then till then, take care, goodbye.